All right, so we're going to be looking at two-step inequality. So I'm going to write the problem out to the side. So I'm going to start off by subtracting 4 from both sides. And I have 2x is greater than or equal to 20. Then you divide both sides by 2, and you have x is greater than or equal to 10. So I'm going to have a closed dot on 10. And my arrow is going to go to the right. All right, number 3. I'm going to start off with distributive property. Okay, so realize these are just like equations. They're just inequalities. You have less than or equal to signs and all these different inequality signs. So I'm going to have 3p minus 3 is less than or equal to negative 18. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Then I have negative 3p is less than or equal to negative 15. Then I'm going to be dividing by negative 3, which when I divide, remember we have to flip that sign. So if we have less than or equal to, we're going to have greater than or equal to. And then that is going to be positive 5 over here. Okay, so then I'm going to put a closed dot on positive 5. And then my arrow is going to go to the right. All right. Number 7. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Then I'm going to have m or n over 3 is less than 2. We're going to divide or multiply both sides by 3. And I get n is less than 6. So I'm going to put an open dot on 6, and my arrow is going to go to the left. Right, number 9. So my first step, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. I'm going to have negative 7x is less than or equal to this over here. So that's going to turn to negative 63. Then I divide both sides by negative 7. X, remember we switched that sign. So if it's less than or equal to, it's going to turn to greater than or equal to. That's going to be 9. So I'm going to put an open dot on 9, and that's going to go to the right. And then number 11, I got negative 11 next. Minus 4 is greater than 15. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I'm going to have 19. Then I'm going to bring down my negative 11x and my greater than sign. We're going to divide by all right, hold on, I missed something here. 19. What did I miss here? Oh, that should be negative 15, okay? Making that negative 11. Okay, I'm gonna switch my sign, so I have x is less than positive 1. Put an open dot here, and my arrow is gonna go to the left.